Question number 3. It says to solve on the whiteboard, show your work and check your answer. What is the product of 4/5 and 5 and 2/3? Okay, so I'm going to write the question, the problem on the board. 4/5 times, product means I'm going to multiply, 5 and 2/3. Okay, right away, I see that I have this mixed number. And we cannot multiply or divide fractions when they have mixed numbers. So we need to turn it into an improper fraction. So let's do that first. So 3 times 5, let's see here, that's 15. And 15 plus 2 is 17. So that's going to be 17 over 3. Let me rewrite my problem. Now I have 4/5 times, whoop, that's a terrible time sign, 17 over 3. All right, I check cross and I don't see anything I can simplify, so I'm going to multiply. All right, 4 times 17, and let me write that out because I cannot always do everything in my head. All right, 7 times 4 gives me 28. 4 times 1 is 4, plus my 2 is 6, so it gives me 68 as my numerator. And 5 times 3 is 15 as my denominator. I'm not quite done. I now have this improper fraction of 63 over 15. I need to simplify. So I'm going to think, well, how many times can 15 go into 63? Well, let me think of my 15 facts. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is 60. Ooh, I think I can do it 4 times. So 4 whole times. So that means 4 times 15 is 60. So I'm going to take away 60. And I'm left with 3 over 15. I noticed right away when I wrote 3 over 15, I noticed I still can simplify 4 and 3/15. Let me grab another color here. I can divide 3/15 by 3 over 3. So my final answer is going to be 4 whole and 1/5. There we have it. If this is not what you got, make the changes you need to make on your whiteboard. And do you understand why you made those changes? If not, seek me out and ask me for help.